Bear with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat, don't gotta hurry and I need love.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox iPhone 14. So they are giving us the charger. Okay, so they're giving us a sticker, SIM ejector tool, and some manual. Let's keep this aside. So guys, now let's talk about its build quality. The back glass is ceramic glass. It can be shattered easily if you drop it. The sides are matte finish. It feels very good to hold. The display feels very premium and of high quality. So now let's talk about in-hand feel. The edges are a bit pokey and not comfortable to hold. Now let's go ahead and turn on the phone. After quick setup, the phone has turned on. As you can see, it's one of the best displays I've ever seen. It's just so smooth and the screen has a very high resolution. Now let's do a quick speaker test. As you can see, the speakers are top class and we have a really good bass. This phone is powered by a A14 Bionic chip, so it's really fast and smooth, as you can see. It's really smooth. Now let's talk about its camera. It has a 12 megapixel camera and the camera quality is really nice. I'll show you some pictures and videos taken by this phone. I'm concluding that this phone is really good for 80,000 rupees, but it's very similar to iPhone 13, so you can just go for iPhone 13. If you think this video is useful, please like, share and subscribe.